Suzhou Swansea Intelligent Equipment Technology Company, Limited, established in 2013, which a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of advanced cold connection technology and intelligent automation equipment. Swansea's independently developed self-piercing riveting system features for major equipment matrices, magazine feed, direct blow, carrier tape, and handheld electric, with an annual production capacity of 200 million rivets. The company also develops press riveting, pull riveting equipment, and high-performance fasteners, providing lightweight material connection solutions for industries such as automotive manufacturing and aerospace.
I never made it.